Hey, morning everyone. I'm here with Faisal, who very kindly offered me to join him today.
Good morning.
And we're out on a jigging trip. Not sure what we're gonna catch, but hopefully we'll bring something that'll make the family happy.
Better get about my way. This is start of a new day. Feel fresher than toothpaste. Singing out, this be the new thing. New swing set. I'ma go for the loop, man. I'm a fruit gone loopy. That's the Sammy the toucan. Screaming out, who cares? My soul bare. I'm done with the cold stare. My heart hang off the tip of my shoestring. Stay untied, that's usual. I'm not put together. Do better than you do. That's magic. I'm voodoo. You a doll playing dress up, but your getup is poo poo. Okay, I'll fess up. I'm messed up, but that's true for you too. We stare at our messages, hoping for contact. Like somebody, please take us out of this nonsense. The world end after every broadcast.
Yep.
Yep. Nice.
Not a big fish though.
Big fish?
No.
Tiny?
A kilo?
Yeah. Good fish.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. My first coral trout.
No way. No way.
Very small. Too small to keep maybe. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Oh, this is a beautiful fish.
Yep.
Oh shit, did I lose it?
Man.
I lost mine.
What you have? Oh,
Definitely
damn.
not. I lost. You're being recorded, by the way.
This is when I wish I had the bigger rod.
What do you think that is?
Oh my god.
Wow. It's not on the rocks, is it?
Yes.
Wow.
It's massive. It's off.
Oh man. What? Faisal, I'm so sorry, man. How did you say the bottom doesn't look all that?
Yeah.
Whoa. Yes.
Watch you come. No, no.
Same one, huh?
Watch you come. Watch you come here. Watch you.
Nice catch. Give me the gaff. Beautiful. Very.
Come on. Big one.
Shell. Oh! Oh shit!
Yes. 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 Yes.
Faisal, this is the big one. Oh! This is a really big one.
AJ. Hey, baby.
Oh! Dude, this is a big one. It's a really big one.
Were you at the bottom?
I don't know. I couldn't tell if I reached the bottom. No, this is going straight down. It's not an AJ.
Nice.
This is not an AJ. I don't think so.
I've got AJ. Go for it.
Time for you to put. Whoa. Faisal, this is, I don't think this is an AJ. And it's really big, like proper big. Faisal, this is heavy. Oh god. Yo. I need to tighten the drag a bit. Huh?
Don't let it take too much.
Yeah. Damn. Feels like a rock. Dude, if this is take drag, I'd think it's a rock. I don't think this is. If an AJ is this heavy, it would fight a lot harder. Need to breathe. Damn! That's what this is heavy. It's not an AG. I don't think it's an AG. Rest is killing me. It's more like dead weight at this point, that's why I don't think it's... Oh, still kind of pulling, but not really that hard. It's not an AJ. An AJ of this weight would have fought much harder. This is big. Maybe the biggest. Oh no, not bigger than the tuna I caught while jigging, but one of the biggest things I've caught while jigging. Oh, I see some color.
Nice. Yeah. That's kind of. Why is it moving around?
I think there might be. What is that?
Hammer. Big, fat hammer. Whoa, man.
Oh,
Whoa. That's.
it felt bigger though.
That's incredible.
Oh no, no! I need the gaff here. I think it's gonna.
That's insane.
If I pull the line, it's gonna cut
I'm
through.
gonna stop recording, okay?
Yeah. No, it's yeah. I've got the other camera recording anyway. I think I'm gonna need the gaff for this one. This is crazy.
PB hammer.
Oh, look at this. This is insane, man.
That's insane. Well done, man. Well pakat. I think it's that bubbles. Mabruk. You know, the disturbing part is still stuck now.
Alright, so this day started slow, but honestly speaking, it definitely didn't end the way it started. So we're heading back. A little late for lunch, but it's fine, it was all worth it. Hey, we're finally in the kitchen and we're about to start working with these beautiful grouper fillets. I'm gonna try making something I've not seen being done anywhere else before. Of course, there's some level of inspiration from videos and pictures I've seen over the internet. But this is a purely original recipe. I'm gonna serve it with whole grain rice, some green peas that I'm gonna mash. I'm gonna add some chicken stock and spring onions to that. So it's gonna have a little bit of this Asian flavor, I guess. And I'm also gonna mash some sweet potatoes. As you can see, all the ingredients are healthy. I'm gonna reduce the amount of oil that I use, and I'm gonna try and stick to maybe avocado oil or olive oil, whichever I see fit. So let's see how this turns out. So after a lot of work, I've managed to mash the green peas to a semi-satisfactory result. If you're going to do this, I really recommend that you use a food processor. I don't have one, so I had to do this manually. But it's fine. I mean, I think this is going to be okay. It's going to work out. And now I've started mashing the sweet potatoes. So yeah, it's all working out. Right, so I have this green apple, and I'm gonna shred it and dip it in lemon juice with some fried ginger. I have no idea what it's gonna taste like, but I'm hoping it will add some nice sweet and sour tanginess to the dish. So I didn't show you guys how I cooked the rice earlier, but what I did was I added some water, salt, and put it in the rice cooker, and it's perfectly cooked right now. As you saw earlier, I soaked the apple in lemon juice. I'm about to fry some ginger to add to that, and then I'm gonna start cooking the fish. We've prepared pretty much everything. The last step is the plating, and I'm gonna start with that before I start cooking the fish, because once the fish is ready, I want it to be served hot. A little bit of black salt for the fish. A tip from a friend to always add the salt after the fish is ready. Right, so let's see how much of a success or failure this is. Ah, that is tender with a nice crunch on the outside. I want to have a little bit of everything in this bite. Perhaps I should have tried the fish on its own first, but let's see. Ooh. It's all falling apart. This is fun. I wanted to exaggerate. I want to put on a show for this. But I don't think I need to. Because this is really good. Oh wow. Oh, this is so good. Yeah. Right, that was an absolute success. This dish is just freaking amazing. I love it, and I can't wait to devour the whole thing. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support you've been giving me. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, and you know, your support is what keeps my channel going. So if you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making and eating this, then please do go ahead and share it with other people. I'm trying to build up the audience to my channel. As you can see, it's still new, only has 100 and I don't know how many more subscribers. So yeah, aiming for many more from around the world. Cheers.
Big fish.